We just got a package at the door. I say me. I got a package at the door. I know it's from Morphe, and I think I know what it is, but I didn't think it was going to be this big. I just got their new eyeshadows and stuff, and one of my friends got a package about some new brushes, and this looks like it's like a coffee something. What did it say? I can't remember what it said. Look how cute! OMG. Oat Latte 5-piece set and eye brush set. Iced Mocha 4-piece face brush set. My friend was like, oh, you're gonna love this package. Oh my God, I do love it. Look, there's a cup! And they're like in coffee bags, it looks like. How utterly are you, Morphe? I hurt you. Start your day with Morphe. Oh, this is like a hot, this is a nice cup. It's like ceramic, right? Is that what that is? With like a silicone top. Look how cute. How cute is that? My last name's Wood though, so could we, no? Okay. Wood and Morphe. We need to go Wood, Morphe. Got it. Okay, what do we have? Oh, this one's bigger. Oh my gosh. So this is the Iced Mocha Custom Blends. How precious is this? They are just, I mean, I don't even know what I've done. I don't know what I've done to deserve all of this. I feel so lucky to be on the list to receive these things because it's just amazing, because this used to be like one of the brands that I like aspired to work with and all of that when I was starting out making makeup videos and such. It's a bag, and I'm about to go on a trip, so this is perfect. Fluff. Brushes. Ooh, and a little fluff. A little squishy. Okay, these are nice. I'm 50, so I can't see. Cream, liquid, bronzer. I love the angled. Okay, and this one must be a powder of some sort. No, powder brush. I love the shape on that one too. So nice. And then some eyeshadow brushes, a little blendy guy and a little packer guy. Aren't they good? So cute. And this is, let's get rid of the fluff. Okay, look. This is the face brush one. Iced Mocha. Ooh, look, comparison. Gorge. Let's get these out. Ooh, look at these. Okay, ooh, look at that. This one's nice for, I use this kind. They have another one like that for like bronzer and stuff. It says powder, but this shape I like where it's thinner. I like that to do the contour, and then go around. Where am I pointing? And then go around, obviously, and then even side of the nose, and then a little on the top to give you the button nose. We love it. What does this one do? A little flat, like a cut crease brush or something. Concealer. So, yes, you can use it for cut creases. Foundation. Ooh, look at that. It's so good. It's almost kind of like a dome. Tightly packed, but not too crazy. But enough to where you're not going to get streaks and stuff, you know? What did I say? Small domed foundation brush. The small rounded cream and liquid blush. I love the size of that. That is so good. Because I like to stay here. To not go too crazy. I love that. For now, we're just gonna sponge on the side. Sponge on the side. What is my hair doing? Oh my God. Look how gorgeous. Thank you, Morphe. I love you. Look at how much fun. I can't wait to try these all out. Eee! And use my travel bag. What do you guys think? Are you gonna grab these? What do you think of the colors and the shapes? Make sure to follow for more. All right, thanks for watching. I'm Amber Wood, 50-year-old makeup mom. Okay, bye.